Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. A canned drink is put in the fridge. Is it an open or closed system? So you've got a drink of sealed can, you put it in the fridge. So it's a closed system because there's no mass crossing the boundary. What does that mean? So since the can is sealed, the liquid inside the can is not being moved from the outside to the inside of the can. So that's what it means by no mass crossing the boundary. So the energy is being transferred. So the heat is being removed by the fridge. So that is why it's a closed system. So the mass inside the can is not being removed into the environment. Okay, so before you leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case the channel or the video gets in trouble. So use your snipping tool. It should be on your taskbar. If not, use the search on the Windows. If you're on Mac, use your Mac equivalent snipping tool. Okay, click on the video option. Click on New, left click and drag the rectangle, cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button, wait for the countdown, wait for the video to replay, or click the replay button, then wait for the video to finish, and then save your video. Alright, like and subscribe. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they won't be able to find it. Until next time, see ya.